Hey, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a scooter rental service called Zwings. Now, riding e-scooters in the UK, which is where I'm based, is actually illegal. So, currently, the rules for private e-scooters have not changed, which means it's illegal to use privately owned e-scooters. And using a privately owned e-scooter could lead to a fine, penalty points on your license, and your scooter can be impounded. All this is unless you use a scooter that's part of the trial. Now, the scooter I used is indeed part of the trial. It's by a brand called Zwings, as I've already mentioned. So this is their website. So obviously they're on a mission to help millions of people across the UK to reimagine their way of travel and commuting. So they commit to carbon neutrality. It's a perfect solution for social distancing, and it claims to drive positive behavior changes. So if your town is a part of the Zwings trial, then what you have to do is download a app, which is what I've done. You find your local e-scooter using the app. On the first ride, you have to verify your driving license. A provisional one is enough, from my understanding. You then scan a QR code to unlock your device. It's recommended that you wear a helmet, use bike lanes, don't drink and drive, and only one scooter per rider. And yeah, that's just about it. So without further ado, let's get to the test. Yeah, so to begin with, I'm going to launch the app. I'm then going to select start ride. Yep, allow location and that type of stuff, record video. So it's time to scan the QR code, which is located on the top of the scooter, and that will start the ride for me.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
One of the first things you notice whilst riding the scooter is that there's no noise. It's completely quiet. That's pretty good. However, one can argue that because of the fact that there's no noise, it's more difficult to tell that you're coming down the road on the scooter.
So you guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm.
The scooter will automatically slow down in certain locations, which is what just happened now. This is mainly because of pedestrians, but to be honest with you, if I see a pedestrian, I tend to slow down anyway.
In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on.
This scooter can go a maximum of 12 miles per hour, and it's limited to 6 miles per hour in certain areas, which is what you just seen. Yeah, so overall I am pretty impressed by the scooter and the service provided by Zwings. I do hope that this trial is successful and the scooters become a norm, and that hopefully one day having your own personal electric scooter will be considered by the government here in the UK. I do see a future in these scooters, however, in terms of commuting, not just yet, simply because around the middle of my commute, the scooter won't work. It's just the way that they geofenced it, and hopefully that will be solved soon. But in terms of taking a scooter from one side of town to the opposite side of town, it's absolutely perfect. You know, if you're out shopping and that type of stuff and you want to go from one end of town to another end of town to go to a certain shop, it's absolutely perfect for that. Obviously it's more difficult when it comes to carrying shopping, but as a quick commute, especially with limited parking spaces in certain places, it's absolutely the perfect addition to a modern day town centre. Once you've reached your designated location, you simply select end right. You will have to take a photo of your parked scooter, which is what I've just done there, and that's it.